Hi everyone, Bridget here. Today let's just do a simple Anglo-Indian meat pepper fry. So as you know, it's very famous in all our Anglo-Indian homes, and it's a side dish with either dal and rice or pepper water and rice. Also goes well with bread, with chapattis, and especially when we are sick, we just love our pepper fry. So this is one of the most easiest and simplest things to do. So let's get started. We should just, slice onions very roughly, about 2 of them for half a kilo of mutton that I've been using. So add oil in a pan and just add your sliced onions. You don't have to fry them. Now just add in your meat, pepper powder, according to how much you want, whether 2 teaspoons or less, and 2 green chilies and some salt and turmeric. Just keep mixing and frying on medium heat till you see the oil coming up. Now, because we need a little gravy, you could add in like one small chopped tomato. Mix well. Go on stirring. The more you simmer on low heat, it's good. Add sufficient water, just enough to cook your mutton or your beef, and let it simmer. Now when the meat is half done, you could add in your not boiled potatoes, peeled and chopped potatoes, and let it cook along with the pepper fry. And in no time at all, your pepper fry would be ready. So just keep simmering till you have the desired consistency of gravy that you want. You could have it very dry or with a little gravy if you need to eat it. Mop it up with bread or with chapattis or with rice. So there you go. Your pepper fry, the easiest and most simplest of all Anglo-Indian dishes, is ready. So if you like this video, please do like and share my channel, and please do subscribe for any new videos that I would put up. So your pepper fry you could have with some bread or dinner rolls. And by the way, this recipe is also featured in my cookery book, Anglo-Indian Cuisine, a legacy of flavors from the past. And thank you for watching. Do stay tuned for more videos. Bye.